Welcome back to RainCreates, and today I'll be showing you how I made a Grand Admiral Thrawn inspired infinity bracelet. To start, I sketched out my design and then moved on to the 3D model. I printed this model out of silver PLA at 50% infill. Next, I removed the support material and scuffed up the edges. Next, I painted the blue beads, then the yellow beads, and finally the red beads. Once the paint was dry, the yellow beads didn't have as strong a colour as I was looking for, so I attempted to remedy this by introducing a stronger yellow, but this didn't solve the problem. So I went back to basics and sanded down the colour and added a base coat of white underneath. That did the trick. Now the yellow is a bright, bold colour. Next, a clear coat of spray paint, and it was ready to be threaded. To estimate the size of the bracelet, I wrapped the cord 3 times around my wrist to get the approximate size. I then threaded the beads, tying a knot at each end to keep them in place. After checking the size and adjusting the fit slightly, I realised the beads were in the wrong order, as once worn the cord would be crossed and then the beads would be in the wrong order for the colours. So I quickly sorted that out and it was done. To wear this bracelet, you slip your hand through the loop, make a cross into an infinity symbol, slip your hand through the other side, and there you go, it's ready to be worn. Now to get it off, you pull slightly on one loop and your hand should slip through and it shouldn't fall off when on your wrist. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed and please subscribe for more.